Dual, dual meter. Dual song. Dual song. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dual yun. Ang triple meter man naman. Anong example ng triple meter? It's the lavender blue. Lavender blue. Triple. So yung double ay duple meter is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yun. Ang triple meter example ay your favorite color? Lavender blue. Okay? Yan ang triple. Ito naman yung Valentine is a quadruple meter. Valentine song. Okay? Yan is a quadruple meter.
Ang lasa siya. Oh?
Listen to the following musical pieces that will be played by your teacher. Then identify the meter of the music. Bayan magbibig. Ay, oo. Lupang hira. Anong sagot? Huh? Bayan magbibig. Nung kami 3/4. Ay, 4/4. Nung kami. Bayan magbibig. Pero ngayon, ganyan lang. Bayan magbibig. So that is duple. Ano yun? Karo-karong bukid. Lipad-lipad. So that is quadruple. Sit-sirit-sit. Sit-sirit-sit, alibang-bang. Hindi naman marking yun. Triple. Sit-sirit-sit, alibang-bang. Sa laginto, sa lagubang. Triple. Identify the meter of each these songs as duple, triple, or quadruple.
It's a small world after all.
Leron, leron, cinta, ang kasoya.
It's a small world
Pamulinawan,
I don't know the
tumangkad. To'y tumas-aso, ay lalo tasa'y
Ay, naku, Sai.
Sing the song Flow Gently.
I don't know that song.
Anong saan kayo dito?
Music?
Ba?
Hmm.
Ganda, okay.
Music?
The time factor of a music is called? The time factor is? Of a music?
Time factor?
Yes, the time factor in music is called? Rhythm. That is the time factor in music. Rhythm. It can also be defined as the regular recurrence of beats that flow in time. So it also can be defined as regular recurrence of beats in time. The beats may be accented, strong, or unaccented weak. So accented is strong, okay? Unaccented is weak. The rhythm of the music can be shown through the rhythmic patterns represented by the different kinds of notes and tests. So time factor
Rest.
of music is the rhythm. Can you recall the different kinds of notes and rest and their corresponding cycle? You look at the duration right now.
Whole note, half note.
There are different kinds of notes and rest. Each kind has its own specific duration. Duration is the length of time. Sound. Duration. What is duration?
Is
The length of time sound or silence lasts. The diagram below shows the different notes and rest with their durations in beats. So this is your whole note for beats. That is the rest.
Whole note. Whole note. Whole note. Quarter, eight. There's 32.
13. Ano yung rest ng whole note?
Baligtad na.
Oh, yung half note.
Ha.
Tapos yung
Si Daddy din. Balbas ni Magellan.
tapos one half beat.
Ay, one
Parang
eyelash.
7.
One eyelash.
Yung 1/4 beat. Dalawa.
Letter F.
F. Yung 1/8 beat.
F.
Saan? Bigay mo sa akin kung anong ilang beat, ilang ano, every step.
Like this.
Yeah, like that. Yung
Number
ganito
one.
lahat. Yung note, tapos yung
Rest.
ilang beat, at saka
Wait.
yung rest,
Note.
beats. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
Okay.
Go. I'm waiting.
I thought you were going to tell me what to call.
No, you.
I thought you were going to tell me.
No, I wouldn't.
Like.
You have to draw.
I took it to school this year.
You get me? Bakit kasi sa notebook ko nilagay mo?
The daddy started it.
That's not yours. Dapat yung notebook mo ang gamitin mo. Huwag yung notebook ng may notebook. Huwag kayong gagamit ng notebook sa inyo. Parang ginawa ko yan sa Canada, wala ka nang gawin sa susunod.
Wait, you're bringing that?
Siyempre that's my notebook. use my finger. If I did not give it, then I don't use it. Talaga yung mga beads niya.
Ay, hindi pa pala. Wait. Ano pala dito?
Lagay mo akong puno.